Hi folks, this is Beck Vanni, Senior Managing Partner with Thon Beck Vanni Callahan and Powell here in beautiful Pasadena, California. Now, I want to tell you in a few brief minutes some important information about automobile insurance. A lot of lawyers' websites talk about what to do after you have an accident. Well, my response to that is call 911 if it's serious. If it's not, then you can think about maybe calling a lawyer, but you got plenty of time for that. So what I'd rather you think about is what are you going to do before you have an accident? And the first thing you're going to do is an insurance checkup. You need to look at your automobile and homeowner insurance coverage to see how well protected you are. Now, under California law, you have to have certain minimums of liability protection. Liability protection means you're protecting yourself if you get sued. What happens, though, if you have to sue and the other person has lousy insurance? That's why you need to do your insurance checkup. Okay? So, first of all, there's a very helpful website with the State of California Department of Insurance, and it's called Automobile Insurance Information Guide. I recommend you look that up and check it out. It has some very good foundational, fundamental information about insurance in California. The most important thing, though, to look for in your auto policy, aside from liability, is your uninsured motorist coverage, which also acts as underinsured motorist coverage. So that comes into play if you're involved in an accident where the other guy has either no insurance, uninsured, or limited insurance, underinsured, meaning less than you might have under your coverages. So look at your policy, make sure you have very strong both liability protection and uninsured motorist. The minimums in California are terrible. Right now it's only $15,000 minimal insurance required by law. That's not enough to take care of you for 5 minutes in a hospital. So I recommend a minimum of $100,000 liability protection and the same amount for uninsured motorists. But far better to beef that up to $250,000 or even $500,000 or $1 million. And maybe even consider an umbrella or an excess policy. You'll find that raising your coverages is not that expensive. The expense comes in just getting the insurance, but raising your limits to protect you and your family better is not that expensive. So look into it. Take care of yourself. Make sure you have good liability and uninsured motorist protection. Okay, that's my tip of the day. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks.